We're going to share with you some of the emerging best practices in automotive fuel rail leak testing and how these best practices are addressing some of the key concerns that suppliers have today. What we're hearing from suppliers is that they're frustrated. They're frustrated that their leak test equipment needs to operate at high pressures, and they can't today. They're also frustrated because their leak test equipment was designed for a specific program, and they simply want to change it out and be more competitive for the next program. Lastly, even to get a new machine, it's taking too long. And once they get it, it's very difficult to maintain because they're very complex in terms of design. Many of the VIC management team have a strong background in semiconductors, where we've learned having a smooth internal design helps maintain and minimize the amount of particles, and in the case of leak testing, the residual helium that might be left over after a test. This means you have less of a chance of passing bad parts with a particle covering up a leak, and also getting a false positive from residual helium. VIC also recognized the need to leverage your capital money and leverage that going forward. So our designs are such that you can replace the chambers, passing on the tooling cost directly to your customer without having to change out the entire machine. And this would work at high and low pressure. VIC also simplified the design. So you can see here on the left, the VIC design with much fewer parts than the system on the right. What this also does is that allows VIC to have one of the shortest lead times in the industry, anywhere between 16 and 22 weeks, oftentimes a half or if not a third of the lead time of other suppliers. VIC is the only company in the industry that makes their own leak testers that get used in the custom machines that we build for you, as well as the calibrated leaks that get used in the custom machine. There's no finger pointing. So give VIC a try if you have an upcoming or even a future fuel rail project. We look forward to working with you.